Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix blurry lock screen on iPhone iOS 17. For example, if you put any kind of wallpaper and you see that the top part of your lock screen has blurred, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So basically it is a feature of iOS 17 that you can see the top part of the wallpaper has blurred. So if you want to fix that, so in now latest update iOS 17, the iPhone got the solution because it has provided many wallpapers which do not have the blur in the top part of your iPhone. So if you change that to that wallpaper, you can see that blurred wallpaper has gone. So in this way you can simply change your wallpaper and the blur screen problem has been solved. So in this way you can simply fix that problem by simply changing the wallpaper if you have latest iOS 17.3 update. If you do not have, then you can simply check for that update. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and here you can go for the software update, and you have to check whether your iOS update is latest update to 17.3. So you have to make sure of that that you have latest iOS version 17.3, and after that you can simply fix that wallpaper blur or lock screen blur problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.